Today is a new day and we have a lot to do. My kids are in Miami for spring break with their grandparents. They were kind enough to take them, which only means we have to be uber productive. We're going to reset our fridge. We are starting a weight loss meal plan because unfortunately I injured my hip and I will no longer be able to do my April triathlon. It's pretty bad, you guys. So I need to chillax with the triathlon training. I am still basically allowed to swim, bike, but no running. Like running is off the table because my hip hurts pretty bad. Essentially, my core and my glutes are on vacation and I really need to focus on strengthening these areas. So I'm going to add Pilates into the mix. And this morning I went to my first class. Y'all, it was intense, but I loved it. So I am very excited. And because of this whole fiasco, I decided, you know what? I still want to lose some weight. I want to not necessarily lose weight, but I want to lose fat. Lots and lots of body fat. Because with the triathlon training, you kind of have to eat a lot of carbs and you don't really lose weight easily per se. Like you do, but not like a ton, because you have to, you know, eat carbs and sugars and all this stuff to get the energy to do these long distance endurance things. So now that I'm not really going to be focusing on triathlon for the time being, in the fall we will be revisiting triathlon, but for now it's going to be Pilates focused. So I figured this is my chance to do weight loss meal planning, and I have to just reset my fridge. I have to go grocery shopping and we're going to kind of just meal prep a little bit, get everything organized, make sure I have everything I need for the week, and then hopefully we'll be able to burn fat and gain some muscles, y'all. We need muscles. I got no booty. We need some glute muscles, and obviously in order to gain muscle, you know, you have to eat a very high protein diet, and I will admit I am not doing that at the moment. So that is today's goal. So it's just basically organize, go grocery shopping, and I'll show you guys kind of like what I got and my plans, you know, for what I'm going to eat during this week. So anyways, I'm talking too much. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. The Isle of Doom. Okay, we have officially made it back, and you guys, I got a couple of random things. You know, the Isle of Doom, it always gets you. There's so many like nice things there, and they came out with a couple of things that I was like, yes, you are all coming home with me. So the first thing is this little rug. This is so pretty. I couldn't leave it. Our current rug has been beat to death. Like it's looking dingy. Like it's looking rough up in here. So I needed to change it, and this was the perfect one. It's this scalloped rug. I mean, look how pretty the print of it is, and the edges are scalloped. Are you kidding me? Like, look, this is going to look so cute, and it's gonna liven it up, and it's not gonna look so dingy. And what's nice is that this is also machine washable. So if I wanna wash it, I can place it in the washer. The next thing I got was this cute little throw pillow blanket. And this is no bunnies on it. There was a lot of them that had like bunnies, like Easter themed, and I didn't want something like that. I wanted something that was like spring related more so than anything. And I found this one. I thought the print was super cute. You can see it's just a whole bunch of flowers. And it's nice and soft. It's $5. My kids love these in the mornings. We like to just cuddle together and put a little throw blanket on ourselves and watch some TV with our tea. They like to eat cereal. So this is definitely something that we're all going to take advantage of. Now, something that was really, really cool too is these little Easter eggs. So these are for my kids' schools. They do the egg hunt at their school, and they ask us to bring 20 eggs, but no candy inside them. Obviously, they don't want them jumping off the walls as a choking hazard, etc. So they always tell us to get creative, but you guys, last year, I did stickers, and like I had to cut the stickers and like put them together. It took forever. It was so long that I found these and I'm like, yes, we're bringing these. These are cool. These are the little town, and essentially you can see inside. They come with lots of different toys. You have like stickies, cars, little plush squeezing things. They're just really cute, and there's 12 in each. They're pre-filled. All I have to do is take it like this to the school and be like, here are your eggs, ladies and gentlemen. And then this thing. This I was so excited about because, you guys, I had to give up coffee for like 90% of my drinking in the mornings because of my pelvic floor. I noticed a huge improvement in my pelvic floor when I stopped drinking caffeine, period. So I don't drink the caffeine tea, I drink decaf free. And it's very hard to like figure out how to store those tea bags. And I just leave them in the box, but they're like all jumbled in my pantry, and I really wanted to try to find some way to store them that was cute. I even went on Amazon and I could not find anything. And you guys, I found something on the aisle of doom. Look at this. I mean, how cute. It's this tea container, and you put the tea bags inside, and then at the bottom, you can see here, you're able to pull them out. Are you serious? Like, it's very much something that I was looking for. I haven't found anything remotely close to this that exists, so I have to get it. I did get it as well because it matches a lot of my wood. So I have like wood accents along my house, and it's wood. Da, 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 da. Let's open it together, y'all. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Ah, so cute. I mean, look at this. It matches everything in my house. In my kitchen, I have a lot of wood. So it matches perfectly with like a lot of my things, you know. My recipe box is made out of wood. My bread box where I cut my bread is made out of wood. My little salt, everything's like very woody around here. I like it. It's neutral, and I had to get it. It also came with its own little spoon, which is cute, like so. Okay, there we go. And look, you could take out the tea from the bottom. Okay, we have to demo this. I'll be right back. So this is the tea that I drink. I like, personally, the Earl Grey black tea decaf. And this one tastes really good with milk. And that's why I like it. I use oat milk with my tea, a little bit of local honey, and it tastes really good. I enjoy it. But hello, these things are ugly. They're just bulky, like annoying in a way. So I wanted to get something. And look, you guys, oh my gosh, here we go. Something that I can just, oh no. Okay, I put it in wrong. I was like, wait a second. Look. And then it'll just be all in here. So much nicer, so much easier to deal with. So I don't have to use these little ugly bags because they just take up a lot of space too in my pantry. I want to redo our coffee area. So I'm excited about this little tea thing. I know, simple things, little things in life, right? Like, I know this seems like kind of crazy, but it's these types of little things that just make life more enjoyable. Woohoo! Check it out. Look how cute! Would you like some tea, ladies and gentlemen? Oh yeah, don't mind if I do. Here we go. Oh, would you also like one? Okay, here we go. Ah! This is awesome. This is awesome. Alrighty, and then the rest is all food, you guys. Now I do want to show you guys that I also got a whole bunch of vegetables and fruits. I mean, you name it. We have pineapple, we have peppers, green beans, cauliflower, carrots, pears, bananas. We have quinoa, eggs, zucchini in here, asparagus, as well as baby carrots for snacks. Let's see what else is in here. I think that's everything in here, but now let's check the other bag. In this one, we have cottage cheese. I am not a fan of cottage cheese, not gonna lie. So this is gonna be a journey with cottage cheese. But we also have mushrooms, we have blueberries, green peppers, tomatoes, we have turkey breast, we have almond butter, onions, green onions. We have here some raspberries, broccoli. So it is rather pretty healthy in here. And in my fridge, I have a couple things that we got yesterday. Ground turkey, chicken I have to prep and organize. And we have spinach, celery. So there's a couple things in here that I do have. Some of the kids' foods. But some of this stuff I'm gonna have to clear out here pretty quickly. But alas, it's time to organize this big fridge with so much random stuff in it. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la. Hey, I've got you on my mind. Yeah, you're all that I think about. You know you got me going wild. And what I want is you. Could you come a little closer? I want you by my side, and I'll try the best I can to make you feel this way. Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I want you now, 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 now. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. Tell me what you wanna do. Yeah, 'cause I'd do anything. I just wanna be with you. How can you make me feel this way? Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I want you now, 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 now. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. All right, we have cleaned and put the food away. It is time for dinner. It's kind of late. My husband had a work meeting tonight, so he was not going to be here, and he doesn't like shrimp, but I do. So tonight is going to be a one-pan meal. We're going to be doing some shrimp with a little bit of zucchini and bell pepper, and that's going to be it. It called for couscous. I don't have any couscous. My Aldi's had like seasoned couscous, and I just wanted to buy like plain couscous, so I have to go to Walmart and get that. And it also, we got quinoa, but it just kind of takes a long time to cook, and I'm hungry. So we're just gonna do this, and I'll probably have something else as my side. You know, I need a starch. We'll figure that out. Alright guys, we officially cleaned the kitchen, had our dinner. It is time for bed. I woke up really early this morning for Pilates at 5 a.m. Oh Lord, that's a rough waking up. But we gotta get used to it. We got to get used to it because that's gonna be the new schedule. But alas, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time.